Okay, the next question is, tell me about a time when you set an ambitious goal. How did you work towards it and what was the outcome? Here's a good answer. In a previous role, I set a goal to reduce the load time of a high-traffic web application by 50% within 3 months. The app's performance was crucial for user retention, but existing load times were causing drop-offs, especially on mobile. This goal was challenging because it required extensive optimization and careful planning to avoid introducing new bugs. As the TL on this project, it was my responsibility to identify performance bottlenecks, prioritize optimizations, and implement changes that would create a noticeable improvement in speed and user experience. I started by analyzing our existing code and using profiling tools to identify slow components and inefficient queries. I broke down the optimization work into smaller milestones, focusing first on the largest areas of improvement. I also consulted with the front-end and back-end teams to ensure our changes were aligned and wouldn't affect other functionalities. We implemented lazy loading, optimized asset delivery, and reduced JavaScript dependencies, among other changes. To track progress, I monitored metrics daily to measure improvements and adjust as needed. In the end, we exceeded the goal by achieving a 60% reduction in load time. User engagement improved significantly, and mobile users had a much smoother experience. This project taught me the value of setting clear, measurable goals and using data to guide each step of the process. I now make it a habit to set ambitious goals and break them down into achievable milestones to track progress efficiently. Why this works? It should work well because 1. Demonstrates goal setting and ambition. This response clearly shows that you're proactive in setting ambitious goals and are motivated to create impactful improvements. It reflects a drive for continuous improvement, a quality we highly value. 2. Shows strategic planning and organization. You outline a clear, structured approach to achieving the goal by breaking it into smaller milestones, collaborating with cross-functional teams, and using specific techniques to improve performance. 3. Data-driven and result-oriented. The answer emphasizes the use of profiling tools and metrics to monitor progress and measure the results, which shows that you are analytical and result-driven. 4. Commitment to learning and improvement. You conclude by highlighting what you learned from the experience and how it influenced your approach to future projects. This shows a growth mindset and adaptability. What you should avoid saying. 1. Setting a vague or unmeasurable goal. Avoid mentioning goals that aren't specific or quantifiable, like, I wanted to make the app faster. Without a clear metric, it's hard to demonstrate the impact, making your answer less compelling. 2. Skipping the process. Avoid jumping straight to the outcome without detailing the steps you took. For example, saying, I reduced load time significantly without explaining the approach can make it seem like you don't plan strategically or track progress. 3. Undermining the challenge. Avoid downplaying the difficulty of the goal by saying something like, it wasn't that hard, I just did it. This might suggest that you lack ambition or fail to recognize the importance of thoughtful planning and problem solving. 4. Focusing only on personal gains. Avoid framing the goal solely in terms of personal achievement, like, I wanted to show I could do something ambitious. Instead, focus on the impact your work had on the team or product, as this shows you're oriented toward broader success rather than just personal accolades. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview questions, please go to bowsy8.com.